Hi everybody, my name's Quinton Berger. I'm the head of product here at MeCAD Systems for SOLIDWORKS. And thank you for joining us in the entrepreneurship program. It's really exciting that you've taken the leap into your small business and your startup. And thank you for choosing SOLIDWORKS as your design tool. So in this webinar, we're going to be holding on the Wednesday, the 15th of July. It's going to be about 45 minutes and we're going to speak about these key topics. What does the program entail? What support do you get from us as SOLIDWORKS and MeCAD? What about training, online training and training in classroom? What do you have access to? And then from a software point of view, you've got SOLIDWORKS, but what other tools do I have access to? And then again, what happens after next year when the program expires and what do we do? And how does MeCAD work together with you to help get your business off the ground? So in this little video, I'm just going to spend a little bit of time talking about the product. So if I go here, we're going to spend a little bit of time in our webinar talking about the design software. Then we've got electrical software, simulation software like loading, vibration, stress analysis, heat, thermal analysis. We've also got flow analysis for internal flow or external flow. Even got plastics analysis for those of you doing plastic components. So really a wide range of products that you have access to in this program, which is fantastic. Another great tool is our visualization and communication tool. So you'll see on the right-hand side here, we've got tools like Visualize, Composer, and Inspection. So big part of that is talking about how do we use SOLIDWORKS in this year to really use the rendering tools to help launch your business. And I'm going to talk a little bit about one of our success stories, a startup from Stellenbosch called Mellowcaps. And then we've also got some data management tools as well. So Mellowcaps is a small startup in Stellenbosch University that partnered with MeCAD in 2018. And they've actually graduated from the entrepreneurship program and are now a MeCAD customer with their own licenses. And what they did is they used SOLIDWORKS to really help launch their business using our visualization tool, SOLIDWORKS Visualize, to create bespoke designs and renderings for branding, for different pitches that they did during their build-up to get their business off the ground. And it's really, really exciting to see how they used our product and the relationship with MeCAD to help get this off the ground. So we want to let you guys know what kind of software you can use and how it can help you in your program. Mellowcaps went as far as being featured on the main SOLIDWORKS page. And there's a full customer story on how they use SOLIDWORKS and how they partnered with MeCAD to use the software. And part of the program is a really cool co-marketing opportunity for you to get your business exposed at a wider level, which is really exciting as well. So please join us again at 2 o'clock on Wednesday, the 15th of July. It's about 2 weeks from now. And we'd really like to spend that time with you, engaging with you and getting to know you guys. And for you to get to know what software you have access to.